make the other half of these three pictures. Half of the picture is drawn here. Can you draw the complete picture by drawing the other half? How can you do that is, you have to check, this is actually all these three figures and the one more which is coming here, they are all of symmetric and anti-symmetric type. Okay, so here he cut it across vertically and then he removed the other part and he is showing us only the rest of the part here. So if you can complete the circle first, then flower next, okay, then you will get it. Okay, but what about this butterfly? Similarly, the butterfly also, if you can complete this part and then draw that line and then draw the this part, you can get the butterfly also. Similarly for this last one, but it will take much time. So what did I do is, I have to take mirror offs. Okay, I have taken one with the help of MS Paint. I have made exactly what is required for us, and after arranging all these things, you can see this is the figure we got. Okay, so butterfly, this is how the butterfly can be drawn, and the flower can be drawn, and the insect or hand can be drawn. Okay, so they were actually having mirror offs. This is a mirror off. I made it reflect at the other side, so it became a insect or a complete picture for us. Okay, so if you want, you can draw it later at your home in your textbook. And coming to the one more part is, this is a quarter of a picture. This is not half. This is, he gave a quarter of the picture. How many more quarters will you draw to complete it? So we require 3 more. We already know that this is a sun. Okay, so one more part is here and the below 2 more parts. So we require 3 more, and those 3 more are copied here, you can see. Okay, so those 3 more are copied here. This is the first one, second one, and third one, and all together, if you make them, if you arrange them, then the diagram looks like this. This is after arranging the lower parts, and then after arranging the all 4 parts, the diagram looks like this. Okay, so this is how the diagram looks after completion of this activity. Okay, so I will again leave this activity to you only, and try to complete it as soon as the class completes. You try to do this activity, and then if you have any doubts, you can feel free to put it in the comment section below. Now coming to the next one, half and quarter of a meter. Using a meter scale, cut a string of 1 meter. In this string, mark half meter, quarter meter, that is 1/4 meter, and 3/4 meter. Okay, so with the help of this string, now draw a line which is of half meter on the floor. How many centimeters long is the line? And he is telling that, remember, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Okay, so we already know about this in the previous units. Half meter is nothing but it is 50 centimeters. Okay, 50 centimeters. And again ask the same question. So half meter is equal to 50 centimeters. We can write the answer straight away here, 50 centimeters. And 1/4 meter is equal to 25 centimeter. 3/4 meter is equal to 75 centimeter. So we have to add these two. I told you in the last class only. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to how much it is? 3 by 4. So it is now 75 centimeters. So can you see that when we add 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, we will get the 3 by 4. We already know that the denominator remains the same. I mean, out of these two, which is the bigger one, that you will take it here as a denominator. This goes 2 times, 2 into 2, 2, plus 1 is 4 goes 1 time, so 1 into 1 is 1 only. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 by 4 is the answer. Okay. So now we will go to the next topic, that is sharing milk. Sharing milk is the task now for us. So the bottle is full of milk and it holds 1 liter. This bottle is talking about. Okay. The milk is put into 4 other bottles so that each bottle has 1 by 4th liter of a milk. Share the bottles to show the level of milk in each. So if this is completely 1 liter, right? So in this 1 liter, we have to divide this into 4 parts. So the last part up to here, it will be 1 by 4. Up to here, it will be 1 by 4. In all the bottles, it is 1 by 4. So he is asking us to shade the bottles to show the level. Up to here, it is milk is there inside that one. Okay. And similarly here also milk is there up to the same level. Okay. So remember, 1 liter milk is equal to 1000 milliliters. How many milliliters of milk does each bottle have? Each bottle will have how many milliliters? It will be having 250 milliliters. Okay, 250. So here also we will write the same, 250 ml. Sean poured 1 liter of milk into 2 bottles. So that the first bottle holds 3 by 4 and the other holds 1 by 4 liter. This Sean poured 1 liter of milk into 2 bottles. So that the first bottle holds 3 by 4th liter and the other bottle holds 1 by 4th liter. Shade the level of milk in each bottle. So this is very easy. First, he poured the milk into this can, which is holding 750 ml. Okay, and into the other one, it is having same like the previous one, 250 ml. So now let us answer these questions. Shade the level of milk in each bottle. How many milliliters of milk does each bottle hold? So to calculate this, we have two approaches. One is you can add 250 plus 250. In this case, I shown you, right? So these are the 3 by 4th part of 1 can. If you add the first 3, it will give you 3 by 4th part of the 1 can, and the last part is poured into another can. So here it is 750 ml you will get. Okay, but whereas here it is only 250 ml. And what is the other approach is 3 by 4 into 1000 milliliter. Okay, so 4 into 250, this goes 25 times. 250 times is 1000. So 3 into 250 is 750 again. Is there any confusion, or shall I explain it again neatly again? So put it in the comment section below, then I will prepare another video on this part only again by considering this particular point. Okay, or otherwise I will consider that I will highlight your comment and then I will prepare a video for that. how many milliliters of milk does each bottle hold? So we wrote 750 ml and 250 ml. Next one is balance the weight. So many different weights you can see here, right? 1 kg, 500 grams, 500 grams, 250 grams, 50 grams, 100 grams, 250, so on, so like that. Okay. Choose from the weights above to make these two pans equal. In how many ways can you do it? Draw the weights in the empty pan. In how many ways you can do it? Okay. So here actually there are two pans for a balance. You already know that this balance will have two pans. Weighing scale, this is a weighing scale which is having two pans. So he is asking us to put equal weights. In how many different ways you can balance this weight of 3 by 4 kg. So one side there is a 3 by 4 kg, and the other side what you will do. Okay. So first one is we will take 250 grams. From this above, I think is asking from this above weights 200 plus 50, 250 plus 500, it will become 750. Okay. So 3 by 4 kg is how much? Just now we have calculated, it is 750 only. Okay. Even though it is 3 by 4 kg is written here, you can assume it as 750 grams. So 250, we don't have a 250, right? So we have a 200 grams. Plus 50 grams plus 500 grams. So 500 plus 200, 750, 750. This is one way. And the second method is directly you can take 500 plus you can take 250. 250 is already there, so I didn't see that. So here we will use it. So 250 is the one more weight plus 500 grams. This is the second option. And third option is 250 plus 250 plus 250. This is also third option. Okay. So let us see from the available weights only. If we have to take, then we don't have a 250 grams. We have only 250 and 500. Then we have to erase this part. Even though this is correct, 250 plus 250 plus 250 will give us 3 by 4 kg. We will erase this part and then we will write down 500 grams again. Otherwise it is already over, right? 500 grams. So let us calculate in other way. This is 200 plus, yeah, we have 250, 250, 250. Three 250 is also there. So I couldn't see that earlier. So 250 grams plus 250 grams. It is correct, absolutely correct. Or otherwise, you can also calculate in such a way that 100 grams, 200, 300 plus 50, 350 plus 200. Okay. 550 plus again 200, 750. Like that you have to add more weights. Okay. In how many different ways can you balance this weight of 3 by 4 kg? Means we have seen 4 different ways as of now. Why is this wrong? Kanan shaded some parts as shown below, but his friend Mini says this is wrong. Explain why it is wrong. Even I was telling the same thing in the last video, that make sure that all the partitions are equal. So he made this partition bigger than the other 3 partitions, so it cannot become correct. So this is if it is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, it could be more than 1 by 4 because the size itself tells that. And here in this case, if this is 1 by 2 and this cannot be 1 by 2, it's bigger in size than the 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 by 2 could be, if you draw a straight line, something like this, then this could be 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means we can accept it, but it cannot be exactly equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so we have to mention clearly, or we have to use a scale, and then you have to draw it with the help of measurements. Next, practice time. There are 60 mangoes, half of them are ripe. How many mangoes are ripe? He only mentioned half of them are ripe, so he's asking how many mangoes are ripe, means don't say half. Okay, so answer is 30. Out of 60, half is 30. 1 by 2 into 60. There are 32 children, 1 by 2 of them are girls. How many children are boys? Okay, again 1 by 2 of 32, 16 are boys. There are 20 stars, a quarter of them are red. How many stars are red? So 1 by 4 into 20, which is nothing but 5. Okay, so how many are not red? 15 are not red. If 5 are red, 15 are not red, obviously. Okay, Ravi wants a pencil. It cost 2 rupees. He gave a 1 rupee coin. He gave a 1 rupee coin, 1 half rupee coin. Let me write it here. 1 rupee, and then half rupee coin, and then quarter rupee coin, 0.25. Is it enough to purchase a pencil? Pencil is costing around 2 rupees, right? So 1 rupees plus 50 paisa and 25 paisa. He is short of 25 paisa, which is nothing but quarter rupee coin. Here it is. Okay, have you seen this coin? This is also, I don't think so you have seen this 50 rupees coin.
Rupee coin, I mean.
Okay, so this Ravi wants, if he want to purchase a pencil, then he has to lend 25.25 from Chunni Lal. Right, so we have seen this lending money from Chunni Lal in one of the previous chapters. So like that, the answer here itself is no. Okay, so with this we are at the end of this even this chapter. 9th chapter also is finished. Now I request you to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, click the bell icon, like it, and then share it, or share it and like it. It's up to you. So don't forget to do this subscription. At least you do it now. So visit my website HANU7.com for continuous updates from my HANU7 Academy. Okay, so with this I would like to take a leave from you. Then we will meet soon in the next video.